Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an other option in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful when you want to give respondents the flexibility to provide their own answer if none of your predefined choices fit their situation. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Forms dashboard where you can create and manage all your forms. Now click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This gives you a clean slate to work with and allows you to customize everything according to your needs. You'll see Untitled Form at the top of your new form. Click on it and type in your preferred title for the form. This title will be the first thing respondents see, so make sure it clearly represents what your form is about. Next, look for Untitled Question and click on it. This is where you'll start building your first question. Before you type anything, you need to select the right question type. Click on the drop-down menu next to the question field and select multiple choice from the list. This option is perfect when you want respondents to choose one answer from several options. Now, in the untitled question field, enter your question. For example, you might type which part of the plant makes food. This gives your respondents a clear understanding of what you're asking. Once your question is in place, it's time to add the answer options. Click on option 1 inch and type roots as your first choice. Then click add option and type stem for your second choice. Click add option again and this time type leaves as the third option. Finally, click add option one more time and type flowers as your fourth choice. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the add other button and click on it. This feature automatically adds an other option to your multiple choice question, allowing respondents to type in their own answer if none of your predefined options match what they want to say. This is particularly helpful when you can't predict every possible answer or when you want to gather unexpected insights from your audience. Before you finalize and send out your form, it's always a good idea to test how it looks and functions. Click the preview button located in the upper right toolbar. This will open a new window showing you exactly what respondents will see when they fill out your form, including that newly added other option. And that's it. You've successfully created a multiple choice question with an other option in Google Forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.